What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of Vancouver's Worst Drivers. Before I get started in this video, I want to thank this video sponsor, Atlas Driving School. It doesn't matter whether you're a new driver or you've been driving for a while. If you're feeling uncomfortable on the road, be sure to contact Atlas Driving School to get some driving lessons. And just for watching Vancouver's Worst Drivers, you can get 10% off all their driving packages, and all that information will be in the links in the description below. Alright, let's start this video off with this clip from John the goalie and this strange looking dog. Instead of putting out their head out the side of the window, decides to put their head out the top, and what a strange way to live their life. And then up next we got this unfortunate driver has the bad luck of getting stuck up on this rock in front of the entire world. Someone paint that rock yellow. Up next, we got one of many crash videos. This one is from Abel, and this silver car turns left too early and then just keeps on going. When I first saw this, I just knew that someone was going to turn left too early, and unfortunately, I was right. Hoping everybody's okay after this one. This video is a prime example of if you just assume the worst all the time, you won't be surprised. For whatever reason, I've been seeing more and more videos of people with unsecure loads on their vehicles falling off. Is it because people are lazy? Is it just because bungee cords nowadays aren't as strong as they used to be? Like, what is going on? So Paul captures this video of this cyclist's belongings getting run over by this BMW, and yes, the cyclist should have been able to secure that load a little bit better. But what doesn't sit right with me is that this BMW just drives off. I mean, I'm not sure if this guy's homeless or if he just has a bunch of stuff, but like, at least make sure his stuff is okay. I don't know. Comment below if you think I'm wrong. Who knew that cyclists could go wherever they wanted without signaling or yielding to anybody else? What a remarkable superpower. So it's unclear to me whether they're trying to do a U-turn here, or if they're trying to yield to Kib, or what's going on. Unfortunately for them, they're so focused on doing that, they forget about other vehicles around them. So in this video, note the RCMP officer and also note the flashing red light there. What's interesting to me is that this person is undeterred about the RCMP officer there or what's going on around them. They're just gonna kind of just hang a right and get out of here as soon as they can. Up next, we have yet another crash from someone turning left. It just seems like turning left is the most dangerous thing you can do, so do it carefully. Up next, we got a couple of dog videos here. This one from Willingdon Avenue where the dog's on leash, but no owner in sight. Hopefully that dog is okay after this video. And here's another dog that isn't on leash with the dog and the owner almost getting run over. Folks, just keep your dogs on leashes and take care of them, please. So many of you are going to recognize this spot in New Westminster where people go right through the left turn lane and then end up merging. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys see that here, because personally, whenever I'm driving this route, I see it almost every single time. So let's move on to the District of North Vancouver with this video clip. It looks like this driver was originally trying to turn left from the middle lane, and this pickup truck driver was not having it. He thought about driving off, but nope, he had to stay, and he had to give the driver a piece of his mind here. Ryan emailed me and told me that this driver prior to this was driving like a lunatic, and eventually it's just a matter of time when the odds are not in your favor. So I slowed this video down at 50% speed so you folks can see how close this truck driver was to eating the barrier in this clip just to save a few seconds. So this driver up ahead spent all of his brain power trying to figure out this crazy and illegal move, yet decided not to even shoulder check or check his right side before pulling out like this. Oh, the things that happen when you assume it's a four-way stop and it isn't. No idea where the left turn lane is, no lights, no signal, no clue. Arnold sends in this clip just kind of demonstrating what it's like to drive in Richmond. First and foremost, you got this white SUV turning right in front of a red SUV that's already trying to turn right. And then just seconds later, you got this guy running the red light. And this is just every day in Richmond. Is putting your hazards on while you're driving just a way of you not forgetting to use your turn signals? You can tell that this driver just has instant regret right after this one. What makes my blood boil here is not only this driver just stopping like this, but also the agonizingly slow right turn they do. It's just so painful. So Colton sent in this video of his Coast Mountain Bus Company driver being a little aggressive while he's driving. We're not talking about the bus, we're talking about this white truck right beside Colton, forcing him off the road. Not really sure what his deal is, but just a few moments later, this driver lets Colton know that he's number one. Check out how close this close call clip is, and all because this Tesla doesn't want to let this truck in. I'm starting to think that some Evo drivers don't even have driver's licenses. Jason has this wonderful encounter with this pickup truck driver as he almost drives right into Jason and just a few seconds later flips him the bird because how dare Jason drive in a straight line? Whatever this driver has to do, it must be super important. I feel like the easy alternative in this situation would just be use the right turn lane, but that's just me. The phrase that first came to my mind when I saw this video was, "Settle down, buddy." When people are driving into things like this, you know that they have no idea what the dimensions of their vehicle are. Let's finish off this video with this super cute jaywalker. You can't even get mad at him because he's so cute. Thank you so much for watching, folks. Remember, if you're looking for a dash cam or if you're looking to get somebody a dash cam, be sure to check out Black Box My Car and all the information down in the description below and get 5% off all your orders over $150.